Welcome to Purtha.net. This video will show the process to create a bill of materials. Select Bill of Materials from Document Management. Click on New button to create a document. Search and select the billing address from drop-down list. Select the contact person. Search and select the project name. In case the project name is not available in list created from archives, mention the subject clearly and click on Save button to save the document. Click on three dots and select View option. To add the product or service, click on Material HSN. Enter the serial number. Search and select the product. Specify the units. Mention the quantity. Click on Save button to save the product. Repeat the same process for adding more items. Click on Status to verify the document. Log the document to download the PDF. Once the document is logged, no modifications will occur. Click on Print V1 to download the PDF file.
Thank you for watching this video.